Okay guys, this is a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT 4-wheel drive 5.3. Clean title, clean Carfax, 50K on the miles, Pro Comp lift. Just put $4,000 into this, put brand new tires, fuel pump, brakes. Had an airbag light, so we had to do a seat in there to fix the airbag light. Leather loaded. Has 2 sets of keys. Has about 50,000 miles, 51,000 miles, heated seats. All your 4-wheel drive, cruise control. This is a 6-passenger. That sets up for another extra seat belt. Bose Sound system, power folding mirrors. Here's your VIN number. Look at those brand new tires. Slow release tailgate, spray in bed liner. Super nice truck, low miles, clean title. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.